Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to include inside assigned contents in plots that we make. I'm going to focus on just these drink count plots, but hopefully some of the logic will apply to other types of plots as well. So, as you see here, I've got this file that has some contents assigned, oxy and water. So I think the first thing to make sure is that your plot has a setting that is going to plot contents. So what I mean by that is if you go to this plots tab and then go to drinks, this is a setting for all the drink plots. And right now it says show left sipper is checked, show right sipper is checked, and then show contents is checked. So if this was unchecked, we're not going to get any, oxy or water being shown. It's just going to show the left and right side. So I'm going to uncheck these other two for now and say I just want the contents shown. And you'll see like in circadian plots there's a similar setting. In these two there's not, but there are specific plots that you can choose which make explicit that they're working about plotting content. Okay, so the other thing is to decide what content we want to include. So that's what this prompt to see the content tab is. So that's right here, and this area shows basically all the contents, liquids that have been assigned to sippers and SipperViz. So right now we've only assigned oxy and water to a file, so those are the two that pop up here. I could add different liquids to other files and then they would pop up here. These are selectable, so you can still do like shift and control click to select different ones. And what is highlighted is going to determine what gets plotted. So if I want to plot oxy and water, I'm just going to leave them both highlighted. So let's try running this plot, and we'll see that we get a line for oxy and a line for water. They look very similar to the left and right, but that is because we are only making a switch at one time. If you plotted all of the, or I can do that now I guess, if you plot the left and right and the contents, you can kind of see what's going on. You can see that there's this divergence from what content is in which side at this point here. So just to highlight again what's going on with this contents tab, if I just say I wanted to show the oxy drinking only, I can just highlight that specifically and then recreate the plot, and just the curve for oxy is showing now. So again, this, if you have content that is not showing up and you think it should be, then check out this tab and make sure it's highlighted. Anytime you assign contents and they're new, they should just automatically highlight in here, but yeah, it's good to just check and make sure. So that's just generally how you plot specific liquids in SipperViz.